You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
She was born, her hips were dislocated. It was caught when she was 14 months old. She was born with bilateral hip dysplasia, so she had her first surgery to put the head of her femur back where the acetabulum would form, and then had a second surgery there. I don't know if it's necessarily due to that, but she has more of her dad's physical body. So she's got really flat feet, and her mid-fascia line through her inner thighs tight. Her hamstrings are super tight. She can't touch her ankle, and her pelvis, what would you call it, anterior rotates to where even when she's at school sitting, she gets pain in her tailbone.
How much pain from 0 to 10 when you sit or walk? 10 is emergency room.
Probably like a 4. It's not super bad. It's just annoying.
And that's with walking, with standing.
Walking and standing.
So the main problem you have is limited range of motion, like very tight.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the motion that's very tight. So you can scoot back and you sit touching your toes. Okay, so
Show them with your tight leg.
once I will get this.
See from here,
Yeah,
she can't flip her tail very far. Yeah, like she can't do it. She has to bend her legs to do it.
to compensate.
And show with
So this is the motion.
tighter leg.
Touch here, that's very tight. That's tighter
Table.
when your hamstrings on the table, the left side. Wow. You said the hip adductors too? Let's do that. That's very tight, especially on the right side. Bend forwards, is the piece touchy there?
When I bend forward, it's in my hamstrings.
The tightness?
Yeah.
Surgery was like this?
Scar is right here. You can see the
Good job, actually.
stain on both sides. I know, it's a nice scar. Go on the refed.
You will tell. So that's good. So actually, I'm gonna use A5. This is the one that flies at night. Tickles? What's front? Actually, that's nice. Is it too much?
At first, you're
Maybe
like,
I'll try this on. This is A5. It's actually protein flushes to work on the license. Is it too much? I think it's too much. Lighter? Peeling. I want you to count how many spots, okay? How does it feel? Looser, yeah. Okay. Make sure it's not painful. At least you're smiling. Where is it? Most of your tiredness is at my left side,
Yeah.
so I can work on them.
For hamstrings.
For adductors, but for hamstrings. Yeah. And you feel
this is
your
probably tilted, which is what
Yeah.
brings her shoulders.
pubic symphysis is out of online.
There's not a lot of space.
How is this? Okay. See this area. Sorry. Super tight. Don't kick. That's good. How does this feel?
And I feel like the skin, like stretches the skin out.
How is this? So how many spots will we had so far?
2.
Do another spot. Too much? That's okay. What about now?
She's like,
Okay, let's get the side shot and check your injury.
Here.
Let's do both or that side. How's that?
Feels like more.
Let's do the other side too. Let's go into your ankle. Let's do both. How's that? Go into your ankle. Okay.
your knees on. Keep your knees down.
Yeah, beautiful. Let's do the hip adductors. Yeah. Can you tell a difference here?
Further down.
So when you try to, where do you feel tightness?
Just along my whole, like hamstrings, along them. You feel my calves too.
Is there a certain point that you feel it's tight than other? Like certain area?
Really right here.
Your calf. Okay. All right. both of them?
Yeah, more on this one.
Which one? Left side. And you feel it's right.
Yeah.
Very good. Ready? My gloves. Is it tilting? Yeah, oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm gonna modify it a little bit. What about if stretching? Okay. What about now? Is that good? And you feel it in the same spot on the other side too?
Not as much.
Is it too much here? Okay. Yeah, that's too much. Okay, we're gonna do a testing again, and maybe if we feel tightness. So you'll never be able to touch your toes, and that restriction being there forever.
Yeah.
Okay. We were around here probably, and now to the ankle, and see how far can we go. Because your hip surgery, I'm not sure we'll be able to get your toes, touch your toes.
Yeah.
Not today. I think we'll be able to get it, but we need to do deep work.
For the butterfly and her hips to
Into the
rotate
side.
more.
Stretch.
Can you have the new right here?
Yeah, we'll have her work on those sides. How's that? Can you tell the difference?
Yeah.
You're going much faster. Let's do each side. Wow, look at that. Try it again. The same side. Look at that. He had 7 inches more. Let's do the other side. This side is looser, actually. Yeah, that side
Yeah.
is looser.
This is the tighter
Let's
side.
reach to this side. That side is looser.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.